Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to keep your website up to date. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and I'll just step you through each of the steps of the process right now. So first thing you need to do is to log into your website, into the WordPress back end. Once you're in here, go over to the left-hand panel. You'll see it says here updates, and it's got a number 2 in red. That means you have 2 updates there waiting for you. And what we'll do is we'll click on that. That will take us now to the update section. Once you're in here, you'll see any updates that exist. You've got the category of plugins and you've got the category of themes. Now, often you'll have your theme in here, the Beaver Builder theme that needs updating. This time it doesn't need updating, so it's not appearing here. I would recommend that you update your theme first before you go and update your plugins. So what you would do is you would check the box beside the Beaver Builder theme and click to update the theme. Once you've updated the theme, you would then proceed to update each of the plugins. You do have a select all option. I recommend that you don't do that because if an error was to occur while you're doing an update, if you're doing one at a time, at least that way we can tell which plugin it was that caused an error. Now, so doing that one at a time, you would tick the box next to the plugin you want to update and then select update plugins. Now, while it's doing the update, don't touch anything. You'll be tempted to go and click on other things, open up other tabs. Don't do that. I like to just leave it to sit so that your computer is not interrupted while it's doing the update. You'll know when it's completed because it'll have this statement here saying all updates have been completed. Then you can navigate back to the updates page, either clicking up here or there's a quick link here. Now we've got one more plugin left to update. We simply click it and select update plugins. Once again, wait while that's updating because it goes into a maintenance mode while it's updating. And while it's in that maintenance mode, we don't want to disrupt it. So we'll wait till it's finished. Once that's done, you can just close out of the back end now. That's all you need to do.